Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about our company, that is the people with whom we spend our most time of the day, the people with whom our life is surrounded. And we will know how much our company can influence us in many different ways, or how we can influence those people. Once there were two brothers named Ram and Shyam. They used to study in the same school, even in the same class. Ram was very good in studies, but Shyam used to avoid studying and make excuses not to study. Ram's friends were also good in studies, but Shyam's friends did not study at all. Ram asked his brother Shyam to leave the company of his friends, but Shyam told him to stay away from his matter. Shyam's friends used to leave home for school, but on the way they would go somewhere else. Sometimes they sat in park and sometimes went for movie. Shyam also came in their company and slowly he also avoided going to school. He kept goofing around with his friends. Ram was worried with his such behavior. One day Shyam was going to school. He happened to meet his friends. They said, "Today we will not go to school. We will celebrate our friend Rohan's birthday and have fun." At first, Shyam refused, but when his friend insisted again and again, he went with them. They enjoyed the party and did not go to school. They continued such activity daily. Exams took place and they all got failed. But Ram stood first in the class this year too. Shyam brought his mark sheet home, but his parents got upset seeing the mark sheet. They said nothing to anyone, but deep inside they felt very bad. They thought, what we would tell people that our son could not pass even in one subject. This is how Shyam saw his parents getting worried, so he also felt sad. Shyam assured his parents that he would pass in next exam. He left all his friends who did not let him get success. He left all those pretentious friends and put his attention in studies. Consequently, he not only passed but also got first position in his school. That's how his parents were on cloud nine. They hugged their son and praised him. Shyam had understood that the kind of company we have, we will get the similar result. So we should choose our company wisely, try to live with people who have lots of good values in them. We don't realize it at first, but slowly we start adapting the habits, values and ways of living of people with whom we spend our most time. If we spend our most time with the people who have good values, then we start shedding our bad habits without even realizing it and start adapting the good values in them. So if you want goodness, surround yourself with the people who have good moral value, who have high moral values. And wherever you go, choose your company wisely.